Hi everyone, welcome to my passion with Ebydee. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to do twists. If you are on my channel for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Ebydee, and on this channel, I do videos such as DIY, more of hairstyles, food recipe, and then DIY craft videos. If this sounds more like what you'll be interested in, please kindly subscribe, like this video as you watch along, and then stay tuned to the end. A big thank you to my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you guys. That means quite a whole lot to me. So getting straight into the video, I went ahead to moisturize my hair. I've had it out for a couple of months and it feels so dry, so I've just felt let me just get this ready by moisturizing the hair and added a little bit of hair cream to my scalp. I'll be using 3 packs of this expression hair ultra braid. That is it, and this is color 30. I want to try something different from my regular black hair, so I opted for this color and I hope it really suits me. I'll be cutting these packs into 2 different lengths, and that is cutting into 2 and cutting into 3. Cutting into 3 will go to the back and cutting into 2 will be at the front. So I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to cut this. I've already cut out some before, but I'm going to show you how to measure it and then you cut it into your different lengths. So let's begin. So guys, the full length is 82 inches. Where the rubber band is, that's cutting into 2. But cutting into 3, you have to hold it this way. You hold this down, this down, this is the other length, like here, hold it up here, and then you pull the other end, just make it into 3, and then you make sure they are all leveled up, like this. So this is it, this is 1, you bend it over, like this, 1, bend it over like this, and you pick the last part, the 3rd end, and then you fold it up. So all done, guys. It took me about 7 hours to complete this, though I had a little bit of break in between. I had to do a few stuff around the house, so it took about 7 hours. So assuming I wasn't, having a break in between, probably 5 hours. So what I'm going to do now is to dip the ends in hot water so that I can seal the end so it doesn't come loose. So I'll do that off camera and I'll be back to see you guys. Thanks guys for staying through with me, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that, and I'll see you all in my next one. Stay cool and be happy. Bye bye. Hey, give this video a thumbs up.